know what the speed limit is here?
40 because it's a school zone.
No, not because it's a school zone.
It was an old school.
Because it was posted back there.
Yeah.
The sign was posted. It is a school zone, but not all school zones are 40. I'll show you what I mean when we get to back to your neck of the woods, around Pius 12. See these yellow signs here?
That's pedestrian crossing?
Yeah, just a warning to show you, pedestrian crossing, school kids, basically. You are in a school zone. But around Pius 12, you'll see these signs here posted on Bancroft.
Yeah.
And a lot of people think because those signs are posted there that the speed goes from 50 down to 40, but it doesn't.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
I
50.
always thought that.
Right. I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna head back to your place. We'll take that route. So we'll go straight. This guy with the shovel here on a corner, going around him nice and slow. We got eye contact, perfect. And right turn at the lights. So it just means the same thing as a stop sign. Complete stop before your line. That fulfills your legal obligation, and then you're allowed to crawl out there. Yeah. Okay. So you're okay in this lane, and we're gonna go straight at the lights. So what do you do on a snow day?
Stay at home. Watch shows.
Yeah, you don't have to do like any work or anything? Or?
Well, normally, my classes have been pretty easy so far. And the homework I normally do in class, I have a spare second period.
Yeah.
That's why I have driving hours on it.
Okay.
So the days that I don't have driving hours, I'll do my homework.
Okay.
With a spare.
Yeah, that's what I used to do in high school. Use my spare to do the driver training.
Yeah.
I was like 17, out in Ottawa. That was crazy out in Ottawa.